Hello and welcome to the Advanced Software Architecture course. My name is Imed Hammouda. This is a lecture on Architectural Tactics, Part 2. In this lecture, we discuss architectural tactics for interoperability. Interoperability is about the degree to which two or more systems can usefully exchange meaningful information via interfaces in a particular context. The definition includes not only having the ability to exchange data, syntactic interoperability, but also having the ability to correctly interpret the data being exchanged, semantic interoperability. Interoperability is affected by the systems expected to interoperate. If we already know the interfaces of external systems with which our system will interoperate, then we can design that knowledge into the system. When information exchange request occurs between two systems, interoperability tactics are used to make sure that the request is handled properly. The figure on the slide presents an example interoperability scenario. A particular medical device sends patient data to a health information system of the nearest clinic. The health information system combines the data received with the patient's personal health record and sends notifications or alerts to concerned parties. Patient data is correctly processed with a probability of 99.9%. Two categories of interoperability tactics can be identified: locate and manage interfaces. Locate tactics, in this case discover service, is used when the systems that interoperate must be discovered at runtime. Manage interfaces tactics, on the other hand, are used to allow information exchange. Please refer to the textbook if you want to learn more about the individual tactics. Here is an example system showing interoperability tactics in action. A particular vehicle information system sends current location information to a traffic monitoring system. The traffic monitoring system combines location with other information, overlays this information on a Google map, and broadcasts it to road vehicles. In this case, the vehicle information system must employ an architectural tactic for discovering the traffic monitoring system, perhaps through searching a known directory service. Further, the system needs to make sure that the correct combined information is successfully broadcasted. Here is a question for reflection. How do competing technology vendors achieve interoperability? Today, many business ecosystems and competing vendors adopt standards to achieve interoperability among solutions that are developed by the different companies. This is the end of the Architectural Tactics lecture part 2. Thank you for watching.